In this video, I'll show you how to use the NotebookLM cinematic video tool to create an engaging visual overview of your research. I'll start by selecting my notebook, the Google Notebook LM Guide to AI Research and Synthesis. Once the workspace loads, I'll navigate to the Studio panel on the right side and click on the Video Overview option. The cinematic format is already highlighted, which is exactly what I want for a storytelling approach. I'll move down to the customization box and type in my instructions, then just hit Generate. After clicking Generate, it will start processing. Because this feature can take a little time to render, I'll go ahead and open a version I've already generated in my Studio tray by clicking the play button. I'll switch to full screen mode to see the final result. You can see the animated sketches starting with a stack of books representing the raw data. As the narration plays, the visuals transition into complex diagrams and connected nodes, perfectly illustrating how the AI synthesizes information into a clear study guide. This tool is a fantastic way to see your research come to life through dynamic professional animations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.